Myra and welcome back to Amy's Junction, and today I have my father with me.
Hi guys, hello.
Loudly.
Hi guys, how are you?
Okay, so today we'll be doing Eat It or
Wear it.
Challenge. Eat It or Wear Challenge. I'm really scared plus excited. We'll see how it goes. So let's get started. Okay, so we have Jits here and we'll be picking numbers, and then according to that we have all the ingredients. Ingredients you can call them, or the items. Yeah, you have them in the list. Like one is cocoa powder, then two is wheat, like something like that. So we'll be picking Jits. So it's gonna go first. Let's do stone, paper, scissors, or rock, paper. Yeah, come on. Rock, paper. Oh yeah, I just thought about this. Stone, paper, scissors. I go first. Okay, really excited. With this one. All the ingredients are so scary. Four.
Butter. So great, you got to taste butter.
We have to have like half spoon, everything. So I'm gonna have
Wow.
eat it.
Or you want to wear it
No, I'm gonna eat it. I'm not gonna wear
on
it.
your face. It's good for your face.
I'm so sorry, but I'm not doing that. I cannot have it all. Okay.
Come on.
3, 2, 1. Oh my god, I can't. Should I wear it?
Come on, go. 1, 2, 3.
How can you have butter raw?
It's nice. Enjoy it. Oh, you can't do that on the camera. Nobody look. You have to make a nice face.
This is really bad. Do not try this.
Why? Butter's good. I like it.
It is nice, but with something not raw. I mean, not with. I don't say.
Okay, now my
Your
chance.
turn.
Good. Congratulations. You've crossed the first hurdle.
The first one only is so hard. 9.
Was that 6 or 9?
It is 9. Tomato! Will you eat it or wear it?
Tomato. I'll go simply eat it.
Eat it, yeah. But I.
I hope.
This was one of the easiest.
I hope it is sanitized and washed.
Yeah, it is.
Because Corona days. So.
You're fine. Now have it. I don't like tomato, but my father does.
It's so healthy.
Okay.
A tomato a day keeps the nurse away.
That was really bad and very lame. Okay, that's all you just have to have.
I'm enjoying it.
Okay, so now my turn. I am so scared.
Garlic powder. Here it is.
No, this is not garlic.
Where is it? Sorry, I'm sorry. So
God,
garlic powder.
I can't have half spoon. Sorry.
So you're gonna wear it?
Yes.
Wear it?
Yes. So how will you do that?
You're gonna put it on your hair.
No, I just washed my hair today. I don't know that.
So you can eat it.
Okay, so actually I decided to wear this cap on my head because I'm sorry for that. I know eat it or wear. I need to wear the whole thing, but I'm wearing this cap and other places you can put the garlic powder. It is really bad. Here you go.
So take out this. Is your
No,
turn?
you have to put it. The other person has to.
I'm waiting for the egg to arrive. What will happen then?
Yeah, then I've done your head. You haven't, washed your hair today. I have. I don't know why I'm doing it today only. Oh my god, it smells so bad. Oh wait. Where you put it? That's all. Okay, you do it. Yeah, you can. Oh my god! Oh my god!
Gonna eat it?
Nope.
Sure?
No, it smells really bad.
Sure?
Yeah. Why is it raining garlic powder? You put half spoon. You put half spoon. No, you have to add more. It smells so bad. It's just on me that feels so bad. Okay, fine. No, put it on. I smell really bad. Ew, your turn.
Okay. I hope I don't get the egg.
I wish you get the egg.
2.
No, I thought it was 7.
It's wheat.
Woohoo! Will you eat it or wear it?
I'll obviously
Wear it. Okay, fine.
wheat. I will eat the wheat.
No, you will wear it.
I thought it rhymes, so I will eat the wheat.
No, otherwise you wear it, right?
Okay. But just half a tablespoon.
This is so fun. Okay, I guess now I can remove this cap. Oh my god! What is your problem? Why did you put it on me? Wait, white? Yeah, look white now.
I
Oh
have
my
to
God, why did
immediately
you-
go for a bath
Why did you
after
put it
this.
on me?
Again.
Okay, my turn. I'm gonna go for this one. Oh, the
Hey,
bad.
the egg.
Wish
Let's
it
see
is
the
not.
egg.
5.
5. 5 is tea powder. So tea basically.
I'll wear it. I cannot have that. Not at all.
Here is the tea powder and half a spoon. And you want to wear the cap?
No, it's okay. Just put it. It's okay. It's okay. Let's go with the challenge.
Oh, that's the spirit. Look at this. The
It's raining tea powder.
Look at this. Washed hair and tea powder.
It's okay. I'm getting over it. It's in my.
Yay.
Why did I
Well
do
done.
this?
Well done.
It's in my scalp. Gee. I have to wash my hair again.
Challenge is a challenge.
Oh my god. That was really bad. Your turn.
आज मम्मी छोड़ने नहीं वाली तुम्हें.
We're gonna get killed by mama. Your turn.
My turn again. I hope it's not the egg.
I hope it is the egg. It's the happiest day of my life today. Happy Father's Day with an egg.
Shit. What am I gonna do with the egg now? Give.
I am so happy. Are you gonna wear it?
No.
Yes. You're gonna wash your head today. Are you ready for
Yeah.
some fun?
Not really. Don't do this.
We have to.
This is bad.
You say it's good for hair. You know, you keep telling me that put egg in your hair. Okay, close your eyes.
Oh
okay?
shit. Oh shit. I can't even see it. It's all falling. Oh. What is this?
Oh my god, that's so bad. It's all on your leg.
What are you doing? Hey,
It is
this is a challenge, yeah. Real challenge.
Okay, I want
Who has the spirit to do it? Me.
I'm so happy. I mean,
I can't play
from the
now.
beginning I was playing like I don't want the
Hurry up
egg at
now.
all.
Go for your shit.
It's
It's all over me.
Ew,
And
just
it'll
be
smell.
away. One is cocoa powder, and
Shit.
I can't have cocoa powder. My tongue is gonna go bitter, so I'm gonna wear it. Okay, I'm gonna put cocoa powder in my head. I cannot do that.
Oh shit. But look at this.
There you go.
Cocoa powder
Okay,
is...
not with your that hand, please. It doesn't.
Both my hands are like that. I can't help it.
Okay, that's all.
That's cocoa powder for you. That's cocoa powder for you with tea. So tea and coffee together.
That's all.
Yay!
Chocolate.
That's
because
fun time.
cocoa powder is really bitter. I cannot
That's
have like
fun
half
time.
teaspoon. I'll go.
And this is the last one.
No, it is not. 3 and I'm doing joke. He's just joking. 6.
Strawberry syrup. I'm going to quickly pick up the
This
strawberry
was the
syrup.
best one, guys.
And I can have it. Oh
Did you
shit.
open the
This
whole-
egg is all over me. Can you please spare me fast?
No, this is like Ah! Why did you do this? We're going mad today. Oh my god, this is so bad, you guys. I just dropped the whole syrup on the table. How bad could this be?
Okay. Now the last chit.
No, not the
Second last.
Second last.
Hurry up. 8. Mustard. So now the mustard. Now the mustard. Yes. Yes.
Just send,
Give me the
just
spoon.
send.
Give me the
No,
spoon.
no, 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 no.
Give me the spoon.
No.
The spoon. The spoon. The spoon.
No, this is not happening. I cannot have it. Not on my head, please. I cannot take a
Where?
bath. I just took a bath. No,
Where?
no. Please on my hand. Don't on my head. Please.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
No, on my head. No.
Now get down from here. It's all over you.
That's all.
It's all over you.
I can't bear.
Yay! Now
Okay,
the
you're
last shit.
Oh my god, I can't believe
I
this
hope
is
this
happening, you
challenge
guys.
gets
Chili
sauce.
Dude.
I'm gonna definitely wear it because I can't have it.
Why you already have some? Always you have it.
But a little bit,
Yeah, a little
please.
bit. Let it. It's like on the bottom. So
Shit.
you have chili sauce with
That's it,
flour
that's it,
and
that's it.
egg. It's not
Amira,
out
your
yet.
challenge is all over me. That's it, that's it.
It's not coming
coming.
out. Okay, that's all.
Ah.
Okay, so we'll just show
Look
you
at
how
this.
we
The
love.
egg, the chili, the tea and the coffee
We
and the
actually almost
mustard.
wore everything, I guess.
And we've not put any safety caps.
Yeah,
At least
once
me.
I did, just
Huh.
once.
So this
For
is all for fun.
the garlic powder.
This is all for fun and Amira's idea.
Yeah, so hope you like the video. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel.
Now we're going for a bath.
Mustard sauce and inside I have the tea and the cocoa powder. You cannot see because on my hair are almost the same color.
I have egg,
Ew.
I have chili sauce, and I have strawberry syrup all over me. Bye.
A few moments later.